Hi my peeps, what's up wagwan? Welcome back to your girl Tiona in the house, and welcome back to the healthier side of things. Now guys, I'm gonna show you how to make some Jamaican mint tea, some peppermint tea. Alright, I got these mint, I just rinsed them off. I rinsed them off and I put 2 pieces in a cup. Alright, I'm gonna squeeze just a little bit of lemon juice, a little bit, and I'm gonna put like a teaspoon, because look, this is half tablespoon, not even yet, of honey. You can put a whole tablespoon, but that's too much for me. I have my boiling water and I'm gonna pour some in. That's good. Now guys, what you want to do, you want to draw the mint. All right, you can put it on the stove in a pot and let it boil if you want, but it's the same thing guys. Once the water is hot, mix up everything and you're just gonna draw it about, I would say, 2 minutes. All right guys, I'm gonna cover it with my little pot cover and I'm gonna cover it for 2 minutes, and then my peppermint tea is served, ready to go. And guys, peppermint tea is super good. Help to cut all the fat from your tummy, from your gut, clean your colon. So peppermint is really good. Good for headache, good for pain, good for detox. All right, and also aid in weight loss. Build and clean your immune system. Have a glass of peppermint tea every day, every other day, twice a day. It's up to you. All right guys, and that's it. My peppermint tea is ready to go. Peppermint tea guys, it's good for you. It helps to regulate good blood flow throughout your body, and then it helps to thin your blood. So it acts as a thinning agent, or a blood thinner, so to speak. It helps with pain, like inflammation. It's good immunity support. All right, help with lowering blood pressure and cholesterol, because it thin your blood, make your blood flow really good and smooth. All right guys, it's super healthy. Help in aid in weight loss. You're gonna clean and build your immune system. All right guys, try peppermint tea. It's also good if you have cold and flu symptoms. Peppermint tea is also good for that. Good for like upper respiratory symptoms as well. Good to clean your colon and build your immune system. All right guys, love upon me and I love upon you. Bye guys.